Take my hands, take my feet. Guide me, Lord, I move to your beat. Oh, sovereign King, my heart is yours. Your love reigns forever, it endures. In the storm or peaceful seas, I'll follow where you lead with ease. For your power none can contest. You're the Lord of all, the earth is blessed. Oh, I surrender all to you. Every breath my heart beats true. To the King of Kings on heaven's throne, I bow my life before your own. No mountain high, no valley deep can steal my soul, you're the one I keep. Your light shines bright through every night. I walk in faith, I walk in light. Oh, sovereign God, you hold it all. Your mighty name makes giants fall. I raise my voice and hands to skies. For your glory I'll testify. Oh, I surrender all to you.